Here's a fact you probably didn't know. Over 90% of millionaires have built a large part of their wealth through real estate. But here's the kicker. They didn't all do it the same way. Some relied on cash flow, others on appreciation, and some barely touched physical property at all. In today's video, I'm breaking down the 4 main methods people use to get rich with real estate. By the end, you'll know exactly which strategy fits your goals, whether you're looking for passive income, quick flips, or hands-off investing. Welcome to the channel. If you want to learn how money works, how the wealthy think, and how to create financial freedom, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive straight into the first method. Method 1. Buy and hold rental properties. This is the classic path to real estate wealth. You buy a property, rent it out, and hold it long-term. The magic here is in 3 things. Cash flow, rent payments from tenants, cover your mortgage and expenses, while leaving you profit each month. Appreciation. Over time, property values typically rise. A $200,000 property, appreciating at 4% per year, becomes over $296,000 in just 10 years. Equity buildup. Your tenants are paying down your mortgage, meaning your ownership stake grows every month. This method is perfect if you want steady income and long-term wealth. It's how many people retire early and live off rental income. Method 2. House flipping. Next up is flipping properties, which is more active but can generate big profits fast. Here's how it works. You find a distressed property, buy it at a discount, renovate it, and sell it for a higher price. Example, you buy a house for $150,000, invest $40,000 in renovations, and sell it for $250,000. That's a $60,000 profit, often in less than a year. But beware, flipping requires great timing, accurate budgeting, and knowledge of the local market. Done wrong, you can lose money. Done right, you can build up serious capital to later reinvest into rental properties. Method 3. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Not everyone wants to be a landlord or deal with renovations. That's where REITs, real estate investment trusts, come in. A REIT works like a mutual fund, but instead of stocks, it owns real estate. That means you can invest in shopping malls, office buildings, hotels, or apartment complexes, all without buying property directly. The benefits: accessibility. You can start with just a few $100s. Liquidity. Unlike physical real estate, REITs can be bought and sold quickly. Passive income. Many REITs pay regular dividends. This is the hands-off way to build wealth with real estate. Perfect for beginners or those who don't want the headaches of property management. Method 4. Real estate syndication and partnerships. The 4th method is syndication or partnerships. This is where multiple investors pool their money together to buy large properties. Think apartment complexes, storage units, or commercial spaces. In this setup, you don't manage the property yourself. A professional operator runs it, while you invest passively and receive a share of the profits. Why is this powerful? Because it gives you access to big deals that individuals normally couldn't afford, and the returns can be huge. Many busy professionals use syndications to diversify their investments and build long-term wealth without lifting a finger. Now, here's a bonus. Short-term rentals, Airbnb. With platforms like Airbnb, people are making 2 to 3 times more than traditional rentals by renting properties short-term to travelers. Yes, it requires more management, but with the right systems or even hiring a property manager, it can be a game changer. So, let's recap the 4 main methods people use to get rich in real estate. Buy and hold rentals. Steady cash flow and long-term wealth. House flipping. Fast profits through renovations. REITs. Hands-off. Beginner-friendly investing. Syndications, partnerships, pooling money for big deals. And don't forget the bonus method. Short-term rentals. Here's the bottom line. Real estate has created more millionaires than any other industry, but the path you take depends on your risk tolerance, your time, and your goals. So tell me in the comments, which strategy would you choose, and why? If you got value from this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want more step-by-step breakdowns on building wealth, check out my other videos linked right here. Thanks for watching, and remember, real estate isn't just about property. It's about building the life you want.